Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and it's the Satin hair color, and this is in the shade 1BB, which is blue black. And when I was looking for this hair color and I ordered it, I was so confused on the fact that on the box it says it's a demi-permanent and a permanent hair color, and I'm not 100% sure what that means. I don't know if it means like depending on the level of your developer, if that makes it more permanent. Like if you use a 10 volume, that makes it a demi-permanent, and then if you go like 20 and above, which I don't recommend going anywhere higher than a 20, if that means that makes it permanent, I don't know. Anyways, it says this is up to 3 full applications, low ammonia formulation, conditioning cream base, highly concentrated, potent color molecules, and 100% gray coverage. So I bought 2 of these, and I only needed this one box, this one tube, and that was it. And I mixed it with a 20 volume developer, and I kept it on my head for 30 minutes and then washed it out. It smells awful. You don't need any ventilation. It's not that awful, or like it's not that strong of a scent that's like gonna make your eyes burn. It just makes your hair smell horrible. Like my hair smells like I just dipped my head in like ink. Like that's just how, and it's a strong like inky scent. And no matter how much I spritz it with like a hair perfume or anything, it does not make it smell any better. It doesn't even mask it. Like you can't even cover up the smell. So let's see, what do I have to say about this? I ordered this on eBay. I got two tubes on eBay. It does stain, but it's super easy to get off. Like I got it on my face, and it was like I got like a big streak on my forehead, and it came off right away. Like it comes off the skin very nice and easily. And your countertops, so anything white was able to come right off. It does not bleed. I slept with a cream hoodie, and it did not bleed on my sweater at all, which was amazing. The only thing is that I don't necessarily see a lot of blue. Like when I put it on, it was very blue, but I'm sitting in the natural light and I really don't see any blue hints. It's very dark black, which I absolutely love. It did cover up my whites. I have like a couple very, very stubborn ones that just never want to get covered. And like I have one right here and a couple right here that just don't get covered, and it drives me nuts. So for the most part, it has covered very, very well. And it is super black. But like you can see that it's like blue right around here where it didn't come off my scalp as easily. But I don't really see hints of blue. Oh, maybe I did right there. Like even in my vanity light, it just looks really, really dark, which I'm not going to complain about. I love really, really dark black hair. But it's just not, I don't really see hints of blue. Maybe a little bit, but nothing like bam in your face blue. Let's try and see if it will pick up at all. Okay, I can see it a little bit. Not much, but okay, I can see it a little bit in the natural lighting. My hair does feel amazing. Like, it feels really, really soft. Okay, I do see hints of blue now. Like, every time I, like, move my head, I get, like, glimpses of blue. You just gotta play with the lighting. But my hair feels really soft and it feels really, really good. So yeah. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. It was pretty gentle. There was one time I thought it was gonna irritate my scalp, but it itched, and I think it was just a normal itch. And after that, I didn't have any itchiness on my scalp at all. So that's pretty awesome. And yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about it. Like I said, like, the staining did come off very, very easily. So that could be concerning, meaning that if it comes off your skin easily, I kind of feel like it's gonna come off the hair easily. And that's what I'm worried about. So we will see. We'll see what it's like after a couple washes, and I will, what's the word I'm looking for? I will update you guys on Instagram, and if you don't follow me on there already, it's Nina_Gilhousen, and I do update on all my hair colors that I try and give you all the good, the bad, the ugly. Like, I don't sugarcoat anything. If I don't like it, you kind of can read it on my face before I even say it. So, yeah. So if you have any recommendations, you can always message me on Instagram, or you can message me through YouTube. It's just easier on Instagram to, like, show me a picture, and it makes it easier to buy. But when this person told me about this color, they're like, it's a white box with, like, purple smoke stuff on it. And I'm like, okay, I know what I'm looking for. And so I found it and was definitely able to get it, and it was pretty easy to find. So yeah. So if you have any recommendations, let me know, and I will definitely do my best to try and find it and buy it and try it and let you guys know my thoughts on it, because I love to find colors that, well, blue blacks at least, that I haven't tried, and I've tried basically every drugstore one that has come out and everything from Sally's. So I got no more recommendations or any other ones that I can actually get my hands on. So yeah, I will see you next time. Bye guys.